Welcome to Nourish for Soul channel.
Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says that from the fitna of ad-Dajjal is that he makes his fire appear as though a paradise, and his paradise appear as though a fire. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said that ad-Dajjal will have two rivers. One river is pure water and the other one is flaming fire. That's how you see it. One on this side, it's pure water. That's how it looks like. It looks like fresh pure water. And the other side looks like a flaming fierce fire. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, if you see that, then walk towards the flaming fire and close your eyes so that you're not terrified. That's if you're in that moment and you couldn't run away. Close your eyes and lower your head into the flaming fire, because that is where the pure water is. His deception. That's fitna to Dajjal. You need to be aware of these matters. Also, Anas radiallahu anhu, he said that the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that ad-Dajjal is a'war. Is a'war. He translated sometimes as one-eyed. What do people think? That the Dajjal just has one big eye on his face, and then that's the pictures that go around. That's not the case. One eye meaning he has one eye that works and the other is deformed, it doesn't work. It's like a sultana that's coming out. So he has two eyes. So he's a'war in that sense. One-eyed meaning clear vision in one eye. Then the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, وَإِنَّ رَبَّكُمْ لَيْسَ بِأَعْوَرٍ. And your Lord is not a'war, meaning Allah doesn't have any imperfection. Allah has two eyes and they are perfect in a manner that befits His holiness and majesty. So the idea Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is telling them and teaching us that if you see the two eyes and you see the deformity in one, you're supposed to immediately know that can't be Allah, because Allah Azza wa Jal is perfect in all senses. In all shape and form, Allah Azza wa Jal is perfect. This cannot be a Dajjal. And also maktubun bayna aynayhi kafir. He has kafir in between his eyes. That can't be a Lord. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam taught us a standard, a great principle concerning this chapter, he said, وَإِنَّكُمْ لَن تَرَوْا رَبَّكُمْ إِلَّا يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. Impossible. You will not see your Lord until the day of judgment in the paradise. So khalas, for the believer, when he has this knowledge, whoever appears in front of him, I don't care who it is, and he says, I'm God, I'm Lord, and he does whatever he does on earth, and he causes me death, and he resurrects me, I don't care. And Allah Azza wa Jal can never be seen in this worldly life, only in the afterlife. That's a standard. This is knowledge you need. With this knowledge, you're protected from fitnatul Dajjal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, like and share.